Does this mean I'm collaborating with Mango Bite? अब मेरी सगाई हो रही है तो मुझे ये सब चीजें करनी है. My skin loves this. मैं इतना बड़ा ब्रश तो लाइफ में कभी नहीं था. It gives like the most wispiest lashes. Like, oh my god, Prableen, you've come this far. India does not have anything like this. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Prableen and today we're doing a really cool PR unboxing. I just finished filming a video and I thought अभी continuity के अंदर मैं और एक video shoot कर लेती हूँ because काफी सारा PR आके पड़ा है जो मैंने unbox नहीं किया है. So let's just go. But if this is the first time that you're seeing me, then hi, I'm Prableen, also known as PKB. I create content around makeup, fashion, lifestyle. I'm all filter free. My hashtag is nofilter with PKB. Take a moment, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. So every time I upload a video, you are notified. And without any further ado, let's just jump right into the video. Okay, there's quite a lot of PR packages here, but let's start with जो मुझे सबसे पहले दिख रहा है. Okay, the number one PR package we have is from The Ordinary. I think ये आज ही आया है, if I'm not wrong. They have such exciting launches coming up this year. They have their multi-active delivery essence and they have their niacinamide 10% zinc. Niacinamide 10% zinc is actually one of my favorites from their range, but their multi-active delivery essence, let's try it out. Ooh, nice. This is how it looks like. It has no fragrance. It's basically essence. I'm telling you, मेरा recently अपना skincare routine इतना extensive हो गया है कि I've become so religious, जो मैं पहले नहीं थी. मैं पहले 2 चीज लगा के सो जाती थी, अब मैं बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स लगाने के बाद सोती हूँ. The next brand we have is Inkey. Now Inkey has not yet launched anywhere in India is what I know, but it is going to come very soon to India. And I had a meeting with the founder because he wanted to meet me and I just gave him so many insights related to the industry, related to the customers, लोगों को क्या पसंद है, लोग क्या सोच के products खरीद रहे हैं इंडिया के अंदर. And I feel now I'm having those meetings with people, with founders where they're interested to listen to what I have to say, and it's just such a cool thing. Whenever I think about it, I feel so overwhelmed, like, oh my god, Prableen, you've come this far. But yeah, so he gave me a lot of their new products, which is the Omega water cream. This was the most exciting product unke pure range ka, because it was like very water based, water like, मतलब दिख creamy रहा है, but when you melt it, it automatically just melts into your skin, has no fragrance. And I love that they have this, like, it's very simple. It's like it's a gender free, like anyone can use it kind of a brand. Very simple, very straightforward. The Inkey list. And यहाँ पे लिख के आते हैं जैसे clean, hydrate, treat, moisturize, SPF. तो जो product का जो time पे use करना है उसका ऊपर है. So this is moisturize. This is the 5th step in your routine. So I really like the small detailing. They have a lot of interesting products, but the most exciting was this. This is their glycolic acid exfoliating body scrub. Guys, you know I love glycolic acid and I keep using glycolic acid on my body for various reasons, for underarm darkness, for my scalp exfoliation, but this comes in a stick. It comes in a stick. It's like an anti-chafe stick and then you can put it in, put it out. How cool. रात को जब मैं सोने जा रही हूँ, I remove that glycolic acid and it spills everywhere. I can just put this underarm roll-on जैसे and it's sorted. It does not have any fragrance, but I love the fact that it's actually very cool. मतलब उन्होंने जब मुझे ये product दिखा सबसे पहले मैंने यही बोला, that's such a genius idea because India does not have anything like this. It does have, but it's always merged with something else. It's always a roll-on with a body stick, a roll-on with something is merged. It's not just a treatment product, and I love treatment products. So this was really cool and I really liked it. They have a lot of products. They have their tranexamic acid serum. This was their also one of their best sellers. Then they gave me their beta hydroxy acid. A lot of patented technology, patented ingredients, patented things as well. Okay, this is their tripeptide plumping lip balm. The picture here is quite tempting. Apply to clean, dry lips. For best results, use consistently at least 3 times a day. Lips are the thinnest skin on your face, so it's important to avoid. I just want to know, does it plump or does it... What's a plumping lip balm? This is how it looks like. Again, very simple, to the point, and I'm actually going to use it now. It does not have any fragrance, but I'm tempted. I want to see if it has that... Apply to clean, dry lips, guys. I've put lipstick and I've put it on top of it. But it has that mirchi lag rahi waisi kaisi aati hai. It's somewhat like that. But thank you so much for sending this. I love it. I love when brands think out of the box. And I'm telling you, when I met the founder, he was just the sweetest. And I love it when I get to speak to these people and give my inputs, because I feel India's market is just like... And the potential of buying things, the potential of spending money on things that are going to help us, it's just gone out of the roof. Like, we have so many opportunities and so many people who are bringing crazy ass products, and I love that for us. So yay. Next product we have is from Taj Mahal. It's from the Taj Tea House. Let's open this. A premium tea collection. I'm a tea lover. Like, जो भी मुझे मिला होगा उनको पता है कि मैं चाय की इतनी शौकीन हूँ. I have to literally control my tea cravings. I love how cute. Look at the mugs. Taj had invited me to Goa also, जहाँ पे they hosted me and my friends. Like, we were 6 of us and they hosted all of us. And what food! And तभी भी they had given us mugs and cups and everything. How cute! Such a cute cup. But actually this is very nice to gift also, so I might just gift it to somebody, because I do have a lot of cups. But I love this. I think Dolly is going to love it because she loves ऐसे cups. And last time भी जब ताज का आया था तो she was so happy. She's like, उसका they gave us like this bowl plate thing. But thank you so much. I don't think brands will ever know the excitement that creators get when they get to try new products. And I find it so funny when people don't show that gratitude enough, because we would not be here without you and also brands. Ooh, we have something from Tony Moly. This is their Wonder Ceramide Mochi Ampule. I've tried their products and I really like it, but recently I'm into sheet masks. So I'm going to try their sheet masks. This is their normal face sheet mask, and this is their super peeling liquid for shiny feet. I actually want to try this. Let's see कैसा. अब मेरी सगाई हो रही है तो मुझे ये सब चीज़ें करनी है. So I'll give you my reviews while I try them. And they also sent me their Ceramide Mochi Toner, which is like their bestseller. Then we have the biggest PR package from Pixi. Let's open and see what's there inside. I love Pixi as a brand, and their team members are also so nice. They're so sweet. Every time they'll, take out time, and whenever they're in Bombay, they'll be like, we should definitely catch up and we should definitely meet. Ooh. Tell me, which is your favorite product that you like to see your content creators, influencers review? Like, सबसे ज़्यादा आपको क्या देखने में मजा आता है? Is it skincare? Is it makeup? Is it lipsticks? Anything in particular? I think that these are lipsticks. How cute! मैं सिर्फ चिल्ला रही हूँ ये review के अंदर. Let's open it. Oh my god! How sweet! These are lip tints, and they've sent me all the shades. All shades. I don't want to open it only. It's so cute. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shades, and I'm going to open this one. Actually, I want to try something in pink since I'm wearing pink. Okay, let's try Heavenly. Look at the packaging. How cute. पूरे इसके अंदर मैंने एक ही चीज बोली. How cute. How cute. Oh, it's like a very cloudy pink shade, and I think it's too white for me, and I'm like on the fairer side, so I think this is not going to show on Indian skin. Like, it's almost not even there. Bilkul, like, it's a hue of pink on my skin. They have a lot of other shades that are more darker shades. This was the lightest shade, so I'm hoping that shows up on me. So let me know if you want me to review this. But the packaging is so cute. I love it. The next package we have is from YSL Beauty. What is this life? Like, sometimes I'm just like, wow. It's a heart and they've given 2 products inside. I'm gonna keep the box. It's so pretty. So there is the YSL Inks Blur. Oh, it's so yummy. Okay, and this is the liquid lipstick, I think, and this is also liquid lipstick. This is like a brownish shade, but this looks glossy and this looks matte. So I think it's going to be like that. But let's open and try. It has such a nice cooling effect. Is this like a stain? It's the YSL Inks Vinyl Cream. It's High Shine Lip Stain. Is it not going to budge? I would actually be very excited to see that. But oh my god, just look at it. It's so pretty. Such a stunning, pretty color. The next PR package we have is from Benefit. They launched their Benefit Bounce Mascara. This is how the packaging, like, puri khul gayi hai abhi to. But it looks so cute. This is how the product looks like. ये viral जा चुका था abroad and मैंने यही use किया on my lashes right now. It gives like the most wispiest lashes. Like, you know, कोई mascaras end तक लेके जाते हैं. ये proper बीच में सबसे ज़्यादा product deposit करके ऐसे wispy lashes देता है, and I love that. I feel it's perfect. It gives volume, it gives length. It's very good for separation. So it's a very like all-in-one kind of a mascara, and I really like it. The next PR package we have is from Bobbi Brown. Let's see what they have sent. It's such a chotu concealer, beauty blender. I think it's a concealer that they've sent. So they won't send a beauty blender. So we have the stick color corrector and we have the skin full cover concealer. Inka jo concealer hai, it's actually really good because I have used it, and the days where I don't feel like applying anything, I will just use this is actually pretty good coverage. For highlighting purposes, I love it. It blends so easily, and I'm using such a random brush. This is not even a concealer brush. This is an eyeshadow brush. But can you see it? It blends beautifully, and it just opened up my eyes a lot more and gave me this clean canvas. And inka jo color corrector hai, that is also one of my favorites. There is one which is closest to my skin tone. Oh, it's this one only. No, there's a lighter one. It's like a stick. Can you see it? It's like a stick, and then you open it and you just use it as your normal color corrector. I use it as my foundation only. Like, itna acha uska coverage hai ki you can just use it all over your face, and it's extremely hydrating. So I really like that. Thank you for sending this. We have a few more things. So then we have something from F Hair. You must have heard about their products. Like, they're very good for your hair. Let's see what they've sent. Oh, they've sent a brush. I actually can use it. मेरे पास इतना बड़ा brush तो life में कभी नहीं था. Then they've sent their hair shampoo and conditioner, and it has this like weird structure, but it looks so luxurious. It's the Color Longevity shampoo and conditioner. Looks pretty cool, and I love the color. Thank you for sending this. Then we have something from Stila. I love the brand. I love their eyeshadows. Let's see what they have sent. They have sent their all day liquid lipsticks and their plumping lip glaze. Ooh, look at that. I want to do a first impressions. I can't do this. I can't do this. And they've given the liquid lipstick. Let's see the shade. Such a pretty red. It's like the brightest bright red ever. But Stella's lipsticks are very long lasting and they're so comfortable on the lips. But I have to do a first impressions. I can't just put it back inside. Then we have something from Hyphen. They launched their new Mango Bite collection. How cool! Bachpan mein khate the. So they've launched their Mango Lip Screen in collaboration with Mango White, which is really cool and such good marketing. I think Kriti Sanon just is very smart when it comes to marketing and stuff like that. This is how it looks like. I want to eat it. It's exactly Mango White. It's exactly like Mango White. Exactly. Like, of course, Mango Bite has given them the fragrance, but how cool, yaar. And there's also something from Mango Bite. This I was not expecting. They've given a dabba of Mango Bite. Does this mean I'm collaborating with Mango Bite? Because I think my parents would be very proud. This is Not So lip balm. Cool stuff. I actually want to review this as well. So I'm going to put it back in the dabba and we're going to review this on YouTube Shorts and Instagram. The next PR package we have again is very exciting because it's from Pringles. Who would have thought I would ever get anything from Pringles? Like, oh my god, we have 2 Pringles, the original and the cream and onion. They've given a bag, they've given a t-shirt, oh, they've given shots glasses, and they've given the team is stacked. How nice. Now I want to eat it. My first ever Pringles PR. The best. I really like the spicy one. Thank you. Then I also have this really cool PR package from a homegrown brand called as Poshan. It's the recipe to great Indian skin. I love that it has a lot of like these detailings of जो भी brand जिस चीज़ के लिए है. It's clinically tested. It's vegan, cruelty free, no nazar, and it also has these stickers. Hot girls love science. Love that. They have their entire journey of their product, and here are how their products look like. Quite cool. I'm actually going to show you one of them. So this is their anti-pigmentation brightening drops. Very strong fragrance, but it's like this herbal fragrance. It's glow drops. It's called as Chand Ka Tukda. Then there's Jalpari. Then there's Dhoop Ki Rani. I love that. How cool, yaar. काफी अच्छी बात है. Desi चीजें whoever like mixes with their brand, I find that really cool because you need to really stand out in your PR if you want to get anybody, not just PR तो हमें आता है, but normally भी अगर आप किसी को आपके products दिखा रहे हो, it has to have something really eye catchy for them to like it, and I feel these are the things that will make people want to try the product, want to give it a shot. So yeah, I really like it. Thank you so much for sending this. And I have the last 2 PR packages of today. We have 2 products from Gunam. This is made in France. It's their gentle foaming cleanser, and we also have their multi correctional face oil. I think my mom will really like it. My mom genuinely loves face oils, so whenever there's a face oil I always send it to her क्योंकि मैं face oils इतने नहीं use करती unless I have to like massage my face या ऐसे कुछ. But I've heard really good things about Gunam, however you want to pronounce it. And then we have something from Dr.Jart, one of my most favorite brands. They've sent my favorite product restock. Now I have to do a giveaway of this because you need this in your life. It's the intensive soothing repair gel cream. My skin loves this. Whenever my skin is irritated, it needs that extra care. This is all I put. मुंह धो के मस्त एक hydrating कोई serum use कर लिया, hyaluronic acid use कर लिया और ये लगा दिया. It's so good, so good. You will fall in love with this. It's that good. So thank you for the restock. And that is all we have. Actually, the last PR package we have is from Mrucha Beauty. She sent her Cloud Kiss blushes. She sent 3 shades. The ones that I loved are Petal. Petal is my favorite shade. This is how it looks like. और बहुत थोड़ा product लेने की ज़रूरत है because it's extremely pigmented. It gives you like this mousse-like finish when you're trying to blend it, but once it's done, it looks like you've not even applied a cream blush. It gives you a powder-like finish. Like it looks really nice, blends beautifully, does not feel or look patchy, and a little goes along. Like literally, I can keep blending. It has so much to give. And the shades are also very nice. There's a creamy peachy shade, then there's a magenta burgundy shade, and peach and Petal is my favorite shade because it's this very pretty pink blush. It's the most subtle romantic pink that you will like, and I had applied it. I've already reviewed this on my short, so if you've not seen it, go there and check it out. And yeah, that is all for today's PR unboxing. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching it because this is a lot that I'm so grateful for, but I love to do this because you guys like to try, see new launches, kind of be updated with kya new aa raha hai. So yeah, let me know what you guys want me to review, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!